Hey guys, Garry Dean, Rapid Ride Rehab. Got a Rivian here, and I just did the works on it, and I also cleaned up this Tesla. Let me show you what's going on. So this is a Tesla Model Y. All I did was a basic job on this, nothing fancy. I just washed it, got all the bugs off the front, and then cleaned the interior and clean the wheels, dress the tires, nothing fancy. I did use the brand new Infinite Use Detail Juice Pure. If you guys are familiar with my product line from years past, I had a product called Ghost, and that left nothing behind. And then Simply Rinseless is a current product that's about to drop off in favor of the Infinite Use Detail Juice Pure. The Infinite Use Detail Juice 2025 has ceramic in it, and I've had a lot of people kind of complain that they don't want their wash solution, the rinseless, to have protection. They want to add protection on at the end, and I don't like redundancy. So kind of where I'm at is I wanted to create a product that was highly effective but didn't have all those protective products in, but that did have some good gloss enhancers. So it has about the same amount of protection as the original Infinite Use Detail Juice, which I had to discontinue because of supply chain issues and a couple other factors. But anyway, so that Tesla was done with the Infinite Use Detail Juice Pure. I did use the Go Dressing version 2, the one I just released on these tires, and that's diluted 1 part product to 2 parts water, so 1 to 2. Usually I use that 3 to 1, so three parts water, 1 part product, but had a little weird little bit left, and I had to mix it with some other water. And then I used the new Go Cleaner, well, the current Go Cleaner on the front, where all the bugs were. You notice there are no bugs now, but this is really the gym that I spent most of my day on. This is a Rivian R1S. And it's beautiful. This got wash, clay bar, a 1-step polish, rapid 1-step, and I'm going to shoot a video of all the brand new products for 2026 and beyond, labeled under my brand new Rapid Ride Rehab business. I'll shoot a video on those very soon, and as you know, there will be a Thanksgiving through Cyber Monday sale. I'll have all the products there for the sale, all the new stuff, and detailjuice.com will be converting to rapidriderehab.com soon. So either way, when you go to detailjuice.com, you'll still land at the rapidriderehab.com site, and if you go to Rapid Ride Rehab, obviously you'll be there. But this Rivian got wash with Infinite Use Detail Juice Pure, clay bar with the brand new orange Japanese clay bar that I just got in. It is an ultra fine bar that does not mar the paint. That's super awesome. It is ultra fine, but it is heavy duty at removing contamination. So wash, clay, 1-step polish with the rapid 1-step, cut and polish, and then after that I did an isopropyl alcohol wipe down, and I applied my 5-year ceramic coating. That's a brand new coating for the new lineup. It's based on the Fast 5 formula, but it has some zirconium oxide in it, which aids in hardness and gloss retention. And so this got a slathering of that. I did use Super Stack on all the glass, and the roof is all glass, so I used the Super Stack up there. The Super Stack formula is changing slightly. We actually are adding more of the zirconium oxide to it to beef it up a little bit, but not necessarily to beef it up because it's already pretty fantastic. But what we were trying to do is shorten the cure time so that you can continue to stack it without having to wait so long. And so that's been incredibly beneficial. With that, you can expect 1 year of protection in the Florida sun, but if you give it 4 hours, for the new formula being released for 2026, if you give it 4 hours, you can stack it every 4 hours. That will give you right at an additional year of protection. So, or if you are in business detailing, you can offer it to your customers as a perpetual increase in your protection every time you come out to do the vehicle. So you can add that on as extra income faux show. So anyway, this Rivian looks amazing. I also used, now it's been beefed up as well. We are on the second version of plastic and rubber hydrate. That was a marine product, but what I did was I took trim hydrate and the plastic and rubber hydrate, we made them one product and improved the durability on it. We are seeing with the original formula of the plastic and rubber hydrate and the trim hydrate, they were a little bit different. The plastic and rubber hydrate was a little bit more potent, is a little stronger. It was developed and marketed to the marine situation, where we just took that formula, beefed it up, and now that's what you're going to have as the current trim hydrate for 2026. But that's what I used on all of this Rivian trim. I did not do inside here, no real reason to, but you can see the difference in how nice the outside looks versus the inside. So looks amazing. Got lots of stuff going on. DetailJuice.com is changing, but it is not dead. Whoa, I don't know why it went all kinds of blurry on us. Just switching it up a bit. This guy obviously likes his electric cars. So Tesla Model Y, Rivian R1S, complete. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys have questions for me, my cell phone number is 813-846-4406. I'd be glad to help in any way I can. If you have a detailing question, or you need body and paint or metal fabrication or anything that I do, give me a call or shoot me a text. That's the easiest way to get a hold of me, at 813-846-4406. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I appreciate you taking the time to listen to me babble. Have a great day, guys.